Alright, guess what we're doing? Got another dead remote. So this is for a 2015 Toyota Sienna. So this one here has a little key release here. So you push that, get this guy out. That exposes this little notch right here. Take that and stick that right in there. And then just give it a nice little twist, gentle. Slide it over, pop it there until the whole thing pops. Exposes the battery. Just be careful, you don't want to dislodge the other parts. There's a couple of tabs right here that you want to gently cut one off and get the other off. Pop it out. Pop the other one in. And then drop this back into place. And just reverse the disassembly, put this together, and gently give it a squeeze until it snaps. Pop the key in, and we're done.